New store, update 6. Racking, mezzanine floor, fire alarms, security, new branch manager, signage, new stock profile. Those are the things I'd like to take you through today. Nick here from JJ Roofing Supplies. I'm filling in for Steve, who's sunning himself in Tenerife this week. You may remember that we mentioned some racking had been delivered and we're expecting a mezzanine floor. Locators have been in, and within a week they've put in 11 bays roughly, 5 stories high of racking, and also a full width mezzanine floor at our Southall branch on Great Western Industrial Park, just off Armstrong Way, Southall, UB2 4SD. We're moving at a pace at this Southall branch, and I would envisage, I'm going to spin you around because it's incredibly difficult to walk backwards, I would envisage we're going to be open roughly around early August at this Southall branch. We've got Adam Ronan, new branch manager, starting on Monday. He's going to be working with our stock inventory controller, Jamie Sly, to kit this place out and make it the benchmark for roofing supplies in the local area. Best place to follow along if you're interested in this store build is on our social channels and on our blog. Social channels being Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and also on our blog at jjroofingsupplies.co.uk. Our new signage, as with our Cricklewood branch, we're going to be putting a big flex face sign so you'll know where we are in the local area, believe me, and that's going to be going in within the next week. The stock's going to be filling up. We'll be keeping you updated as and when that comes in. You have a great day.